Is your 2008 Honda Odyssey's alarm system acting up? You're not alone. Three main culprits cause most alarm issues in these vehicles. First, sliding door switches are the most common problem. These switches tell the alarm system whether the doors are properly closed. These switches are prone to three main problems: corrosion from moisture exposure, misalignment from repeated use, and general mechanical wear over time. When these switches fail, the alarm can trigger even when the doors are properly shut, causing false alarms. Second, key fob problems can cause erratic alarm behavior. The key fob battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years before needing replacement. Key fobs can malfunction due to dead batteries, signal interference from other devices, or corrupted programming that requires reprogramming to the vehicle. These issues can cause the alarm to behave unpredictably, sometimes not responding to the remote or triggering unexpectedly. Third, the car battery itself can trigger false alarms. Batteries older than 4 to 5 years commonly cause voltage fluctuation problems. A weak or aging battery causes voltage fluctuations that can trigger the alarm system. Additionally, the alarm system itself can drain a weak battery, creating a cycle of problems. This creates a cycle where the weak battery triggers false alarms, and the alarm system further drains the battery. Understanding these three main causes, sliding door switches, key fob issues, and battery problems, is the first step to diagnosing and fixing your Odyssey's alarm issues. First, check your car battery voltage. A healthy battery should read above 12.4 volts when the engine is off. Low voltage is a common cause of false alarms. Next, inspect all door seals and switches for visible damage. Pay special attention to the sliding door areas where moisture and wear commonly cause problems. For sliding door switch issues, you'll need to remove the door panel to access the switch assembly. Clean the contacts with electrical contact cleaner and test continuity with a multimeter. If your key fob is malfunctioning, start by replacing the CR6116 battery, which costs only $5 to $15. If problems persist, reprogram the key fob using Honda's standard procedure. To prevent future alarm issues, perform regular maintenance. Clean door jamb areas monthly, test your battery annually, and replace key fob batteries proactively every 3 to 4 years.